Hey guys, Maria Labasimo here. I am back and I have been doing videos for you on the Facebook's automation suite, the 5 different Chrome extensions that help you 10x your Facebook and take it to the next level and really make your success like full speed fast. These Chrome extensions are amazing and a wonderful resource, so effective, it's unbelievable. So I talked to you about the prospecting piece. If you haven't seen that video yet, please go watch that, because with the prospecting piece, you are using the automation tool to friend a lot of friends, right? So the next step then would be to send them a nice intro message in Facebook Messenger, and that's what I'm going to show you now. I want to show you this piece. I absolutely love this piece too, because after I'm done doing my friending and everything like that, and generally I'll do this maybe a couple times a day, or sometimes I just do it after dinner and I just let it run and I set it and I forget it. That's the whole point, guys, to get your time back in your day and be more efficient and get Facebook moving along for you, working to your advantage. So let's get started. Okay, so the Chrome extension that we're talking about is the follow-up formula. So I have a bunch of friends that are new, that are in my messenger that I want to say hi to. So I'm going to click on that, and I generally use recently added friends, but there is a button here too for all friends. And if you choose to message all your friends, you can use this drop down here that says don't send messages if already sent a message, but then if you do the drop down, you can select 12 hours, 24, 3 days, etc., up to 3 months. And then you can set, how many number of friends you want to message, and then the average delay between that, and which we've talked about, needs to be a decent amount of time because you don't want to be put in Facebook jail, right? So what I'm going to do is I want to message my recently added friends in the last 7 days. So you have 7 days, 2 weeks, 1 month, 3 months. I want to do 7 days, for example, okay? And this is so awesome, guys, because it inserts the person's first name and makes it personal, which is fantastic. So I have a pre-written message in a Word doc, and this is my message. And to get the logic to pull the first name, you have to use these squiggly little quotes on the ends, or brackets, and brackets, and then put first name with no space in it. So I'm simply going to copy this, Control C, and then just pull that back up. Ooh, wrong one, sorry guys. There we go. And then paste the message in here. So you see how it says hello, and then it has the brackets, and then it has first name, no space, a comma, and then it just says, how are you? Great to be connected. Please feel free to open up on a little bit about yourself and what you do online. Would love to see if there's a way we can help each other. Aside from that, I hope you're having a great week. And again, it's great to be connected. Just something personal, that I want to make so I can start building my relationship and my friendship with my new friend. So that's what I'm going to do. So here it has maximum number of friends to send a message. And 20 is a good number. I mean, if you go any higher than that, generally risking Facebook jail or a security thing that might put you in Facebook jail, or at least pop up on your computer warning you. And the average delay between messages, we're going to put 120. I'm going to leave it at that, okay? So let's hit start messaging. And let's see what we got. So now what it's doing is it's going into my friends list and looking for those new friends. And it's calculating how many it has found in maybe the last 7 days. And this can take a little bit sometimes, depending on what time frame you're picking in the Chrome extension. Remember I talked about how you could pick 7 days. I think the other one was 2 weeks, etc. So depending on which one you pick, it can take a while. So that's why I said sometimes what I do is when I'm done friending them, you know, my friends using the prospect formula, then I'll follow up with the follow-up formula. Okay, and if you want to send more than 20 messages like I talked about in previous videos, just break it up. Just do, you know, some in the morning, some in the afternoon, and then some in the evenings, like some sort of routine like that. So let's give this a while and see what's happening here. But if you haven't watched the other videos, you really do want to take a look at those, the prospect formula, the unfriend formula, and the comment formula. I mean, the whole goal is to fast track your Facebook profile so that it's working for you, okay? And, you know, keeping your algorithm up. There's a system, there's a whole process to it. And these Chrome extensions are just so efficient, and they really do give you your time back in your day. And it's wonderful because, you know, I went from a place where I didn't have that high engagement, but as soon as I, you know, got hold of this tool and started using it, it's wonderful because now my engagement's high. I mean, it's over, some of them are like 245 comments and things like that, and many over 100 likes. I mean, you can go to my wall and you can check it out, and my goal is to personally keep it that way and to make it even higher than that. So these tools are just going to help to manage all that. So we just want to let this continue to go, and we will go from there, guys. So if you want to get the tool and start kicking your Facebook up and getting it working really like at a fast pace for you, you can find the link below for the tool. Also, I have all my social links below as well, and you know, feel free to check that out as well. And okay, so now we see that it sent one message. Okay, guys, so what we're going to do is it's now pausing for 1 minute and 20 seconds before it sends the next one, remember, because we don't want any kind of security issue or anything like that that's going to, you know, make us not have the ability to use Facebook for times on end. So what I'm going to do for the sake of this video is I just want to exit out, and I want to show you the one message in Messenger. Okay, guys, so I'm going to close it and I'm going to stop it, and let's go into Messenger. And here it is. So this is my friend that it just sent it to. Completely perfect. Hello, insert first name. This blows me away. This piece right here is huge because I always felt that if it couldn't have the first name, it was never really personal enough. And although automation is doing this for me, I'm good with it because you know why? I have manually sent messages to new friends and they don't even respond back. They read it, they leave me unseen, and they don't even respond back. So I'm okay with automation doing this piece for me because it's making it personal. So if she responds back, excellent. If she doesn't, then, you know, it is what it is. But this is great, guys. There you go. She's responding, so I'm going to get out of there, which is great. But that's the whole point of this tool. You do the prospecting piece, and then, you know, adding your new friends, and then you go in and then you do the follow-up formula with a simple personal message that inserts the first name. You can't get any better than that. So I'm just telling you, this has changed everything for me. So this tool, this suite with the 5 different tools, it's just completely awesome. So again, the link is below. My social links are there. Hit me up on Facebook, Messenger, or whatever if you have any questions. Otherwise, get the tool for yourself and go for it. And again, the best part is when you read the information below, you can also become an affiliate of this, and you can offer the product and help and pay it forward to other people and make 50% commission as well. So I can tell you right away that, as soon as I got the tool, I sold the tool and I made my money back. So it was awesome. And now it's just something that I own for life, and it's great. So guys, again, have any questions, reach out. Otherwise, I will see you at the top. Thanks.